Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. And in this short video, I'll just go through some of the latest job opportunities that have come up, hiring for software engineer roles. So if you are looking for an opportunity and if your profile matches the given requirements, then you can definitely apply to the respective ones. And for always staying updated with all such job opportunities in the future as well, you can click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get notified of any new video that comes up. And do share it around with your friends or contacts so that they can be benefited from this information as well. So let's quickly move on to the job opportunities one by one. Okay, so the first one right now is from this company called Harman. I've already talked about this before as well. This is Samsung's own company, and the role that they are looking for right now is for a system engineer. The job location will be at Bangalore, and this is the respective job ID. So to get to know more about this opportunity, you can read about this once. What you'll be doing is Bash scripting and knowledge about Python scripting languages is a must for this one, since this is for a system engineer role. And then you need to work in Unix or Linux based environment. So shell Python scripts for task automation. After that, compiling packages, static dynamic dependencies. So you need not be aware of all this. You'll learn around in your job as well, but should definitely be aware of Python and working in a Linux based environment as well. And apart from this, they have mentioned a good grasp over data center concepts like virtualization. So everything about virtual machines, you must have studied some of these already in your curriculum during your undergrad. Then root cause kernel panics, looking into system log. So everything that has to deal with being a system engineer, and then documenting your code, writing clean code practices, all about that. So if you have to apply for this one, you can click on this particular button, fill the forms, upload your resume, and that's all. You will probably receive an email notification once your profile matches the particular role. So that's all about this one, and let's move on to the next one now. Okay, so in the last video, I think I talked about a position from Rockstar Games, and we now have another one from Electronic Arts, which is again an equally good gaming company. So, FIFA, Need for Speed, all these mostly sports games are created by EA. And this particular role is for a software engineer intern in that company. The location will be at Hyderabad. So, for this role, this is a small overview that they've given. This particular area is about the company. So if you are not already familiar with EA, so they've mentioned some of their famous games: Dead Space, NFS, FIFA, Sims, Battlefield, Star Wars. So read about this once if you want to know more about the company. Then these are the different roles that they have generally. And for this particular role, for a software engineering intern, your responsibilities will be development of new games and related features, contribute to the evolvement of their existing games, then maintaining detailed design documentations throughout the project's lifecycle. The qualifications that they're looking for: BE, BTech, MCA, all branches, bachelor's as well as master's are eligible for this one. Exceptional analytical and problem solving acumen, then application development experience on smartphones, mobile platform with expertise in more than. So I think this is mostly Android development that they're talking about, as well as iOS development. So Android software development kit, as well as iOS, iPhone and iPad, Objective-C and C++ language. So I think this position probably has to do more with mobile development and Android or iOS development. So if you have experience, definitely do apply for this one. They'll be working in Unity or Unreal Engine 3, which is where most of the games are made. And most important of all, you need to love games. So I think this is a pretty easy qualification that most of us will be able to fulfill. And then what does this opportunity provide? Just read about this once before applying. So that's all. If you are looking for a career in game development field, you can definitely start by applying from here for an internship role at Electronic Arts. To apply, just click on this button, and that's it. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is a hiring challenge that is currently going on by this company NatWest, and this challenge is being taken on HackerEarth's platform. You already must have used it for practicing for your interviews. And this one, the challenge opens at 24th of April and closes on 25th of April. So there's still a lot of time to register for this. The duration will be 2.5 hours. And this is basically, I think, a coding algorithm challenge, yeah. And the eligibility for this particular role is 1 to 3 years of experience. So freshers cannot currently apply. But even if you have 1 year of experience, you can consider applying for this role. So something about the company. And after that, for the eligibility criteria, 1 to 3 years experience, skills required are Java, Python, or SQL, basic skills. Then degree will be BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, all degrees are eligible for this role. So only candidates who have passed out in 2021 or before are eligible. So I think even freshers are eligible, since passed out in 2021 is for freshers only as of now. Then the challenge format for this particular algorithm challenge will be that you'll have 2 programming questions on data structures algorithms. So I keep on solving a lot of these questions already on my channel, and I keep on teaching about this as well. So you can definitely consider watching some videos if you want to be prepared for this one, and then an MCQ round as well. And then about this opening, so The job location will be Bangalore, Chennai, or Gurugram. All locations are fine, and then they have 100 openings right now. So the skills you need are Java, Python, SQL, then computer science fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, designing patterns. So these are all the fundamental requirements from freshers for every single interview. Then problem solving, analytical skills. Then about the company, you can read about some of it. They mentioned it here. And then these are some of the guidelines to attempt this challenge. So definitely read through this before you start taking the challenge. Then some FAQs if you want to know more about the platform HackerEarth, how these challenges work. And to register for this, just click on this particular button, register for the challenge, which is going to take place between this window. So I think this is within a day only, it will take place, and the duration will be 2.5 hours. So make sure you register for this and attempt the challenge within this window. And let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next position is from the company ShareChat, which is a startup right now, an Indian startup, and it's one of the most successful startups right now. I think this is the one which involves most of the founders of DirectAI. So that's a pretty good company. And then the role that they're looking for right now is for an SDE1, so an entry level role, and a backend development role specifically. So the job location is at Bangalore, and this is a full time opportunity. So these are the kind of job descriptions that I actually like, just to the point stuff. So responsibilities is develop, test, debug software applications, and then implement code for diagnostics and performance monitoring. This is pretty generic. The requirements, I think this is what's going to make more sense. 1 to 2 years experience with a bachelor's in computer science or related field. Okay, so freshers cannot apply. Only experienced folks can apply for this one. Their tech stack they have already mentioned: Node.js, Python, Java, plus DynamoDB, which is from Amazon, and then Cassandra. Then Redis, Elasticsearch, and Vue.js. So most of it has to do with either Python or JavaScript. Java, this is the backend that they work with. Then strong software development fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, problem solving, object-oriented designing, and system architecture. This is the very basic requirement for any entry-level role for a software engineer. After that, verbal communication, interpersonal skills, and then self-motivated attitude. Blah, blah. So to apply for this one, just click on this button. You can either apply with Indeed if you have a profile on Indeed. Otherwise, you can just click on this button and fill the form, whatever information that they ask. So that's pretty much to the point for a backend SD1 role at ShareChat. Okay, so the next job opportunity is from Wipro, and this is again for the role of an intern. The job location for this one will be Chennai, and they have not mentioned any other city, so it's going to specifically be Chennai only. Then about this position, so this role is designed as an entry-level position for applicants with strong skill sets in programming, so logical reasoning, analytical skills, and then system configuration, testing related to support human resource functions. The roles and responsibilities: so review client requirements, documents, and then identifies needed test cases, completes test plans with test case. A lot of this has to do with creating test cases, and I think this is probably for the testing role, if I'm not wrong. Then knowledge of SDLC principles, and you need to be aware of writing SQL queries as well, and experience with system implementations. So this is probably for the testing profile and an internship role based on that. And the qualifications that they've mentioned is BTech, BE, MCA. These particular degrees are eligible, and no specific mention about any branches. So I think all can apply. And to apply, you can click on this particular button. If you have a friend or a contact who works there, you can ask them to refer you as well. This is the link to refer a candidate, so you can get a referral from them as well. So that's all for this one, and let's move on to the last one that we have for now. All right, so the last job opportunity that we have for now is from HCL, and the role for this one is for a software engineer. Job location again at Bangalore, as usual, and the work experience is 0 to 2.5 years. So even freshers can apply for this particular role. Then this is the job family, products and platforms development. So this is for a software development role, and then this is some information about the job description, different requirements that you'll be required to work on. After that, for the qualification, BE, BTech, and engineering degree, all bachelor's degrees are fine for this one. And then for the skills that they require, technical skills are programming and scripting languages. So you should be aware of basic programming, and they have already mentioned the language to be Java. So you should be aware of programming and scripting in Java. And then the link expires on 22nd of April. So make sure you apply before that. There's still a lot of time. And to apply, just click on this particular button and fill the form, and that's all about it. And those were all the job opportunities that I could find right now for software engineering roles, for freshers as well as for experienced candidates. And if you always want to stay updated with all such information about different job opportunities that come up, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Or if you're new, you can share it around with your friends as well, so that this reaches more people and it can benefit more candidates who are looking for jobs right now. And on my channel, you can also find material related to preparing for interviews as well. I have already created different playlists, and I also solve questions that these companies generally ask in their interview rounds as well. So this is going to be a very helpful resource to prepare for these interviews. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll definitely try to come up with more of such job opportunities as you guys have been requesting me in the coming videos. And till then, just apply to these ones if they match your profile. And thank you for watching. We'll see you very soon in the next one.